How to highlight text in Audiate. First of all, open Audiate and import your audio file to generate the text transcript. Once your audio is transcribed, you will see the text displayed in the editing window. Next, locate the specific text you want to highlight. This can be a key phrase, an important point, or any section you want to emphasize for editing or review purposes. To highlight the text, simply click and drag your cursor over the words you want to select. The selected text will change color, indicating it is highlighted. If you want to highlight multiple separate sections, you can do so individually by repeating the click and drag action for each action. Once your text is highlighted, you can use this visual cue to quickly find and edit those parts of the audio. Highlighting can be useful for identifying segments to cut, rearrange, or apply effects to. To remove a highlight, double-click on the highlighted text and it will return to its normal appearance. And that's it. Now you know how to highlight text in Audiate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.